Hi everyone, I'm Emily from Trans Options. I'm a League of American Bicyclists certified instructor, and I've developed a 9-part short mini series about how we teach both kids and adults our proven balance first method when learning how to ride a bike. So each step will be broken down to give you really the need to knows and to show you exactly our methods so that you can get started out on your own, figuring out your balance on two wheels. Riding a bike is really a rite of passage, and it's super exciting to master. Once you know how to ride a bike, it's true what they say, you never have to learn again. So join me on this short mini series and you'll be riding independently, feeling the wind in your hair in no time. I'm excited, so let's get started on our first step.